Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I am Tiffany. As promised, I am going to show you guys in today's video how I maintain my twist throughout the night and how I refresh them in the morning. That way I don't always have to retwist like every last one of them, just to make it easier for me getting ready in the morning. It's just 10 times easier. So if you want to see how I maintain it and how I refresh them in the morning, just keep watching. Alright guys, this is going to be a very quick video because it's really not that much to it, but for those of you who are interested, I was actually surprised at how well my twists have been holding up over the past couple of days. I know we're going on day 4 or 5 now with these twists, and they really don't look that bad, which I'm very ecstatic about. So the way that I maintain my twist at night is that, one, it makes it a lot easier because I parted them down the middle. So being that I have 2 sections, it's 10 times easier. So I just take one of these sections like such, and I twist in the direction of all of the other twists. And when I do that, I'll just loop it around, pin it like this. Well, this will help. I just take it and I twist it with my finger, and then I just snap it down with the clamp like such. So it's just clamped up on one side. And then I take my second clamp. Don't judge me because they're 2 different types of clamps or 2 different patterns. And I twist, like I said, in that same direction as the twists are actually going in. Take my finger, loop, 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 loop. And then I secure it this way. And then I take the clamp and I clamp it down. So once it's all here, most of the curls are falling towards the front, almost like a pineapple. And this is just demonstration purposes. I normally use my satin cap, but this is just a little thing that I got like from Walgreens. And I just, without choking myself on camera, I just put this on. I normally bend all the way over and just work it all the way up. And then I'll leave the top open, pull it up like such. And that's how it's done. And I just sleep just like this. So very easy maintenance. If you have a satin line cap, definitely use that. I also sleep on a satin pillowcase just in case these slip off throughout the night. So that is that as far as maintaining it throughout the night. So just clamp it up, and the clamps are not uncomfortable at all because I normally either sleep on my side or I sleep on my back. So it really does depend on how you sleep. So you can also use bobby pins if that's easier for you as well. So we're going to take this off like such. And then in the morning, when I get up and I take them down, I just unclamp and I work one side at a time. So I'll take my water bottle, and normally the thing is when it's wet and it dries, it's like all funky and it's all bent up. So I just take my water bottle and I'll spray, just dampen the ends. And if I need more product, I'll use more product, but normally I haven't had to. So if there's some strands, or like this one here, that's kind of coming apart, I'll take my time and I'll just retwist that one and make sure the ends are twisted up really well. So it's really not that much. I just look at them to see which ones maybe have frazzled a little bit, and then I'll just refresh it that way. Make sure I twist the ends, and I'll just double check to make sure there's no other ones that need to be retwisted. And if there's some at the roots that are a little frizzy, you can always take a little bit more of your product that you use initially, or some Eco-Style or gel or whatever works for you, and just reset the ones at the top, and by the time you get to work, it'll already be dry. So that's really how I maintain these twists for so long, and I'm so excited about it because it's an easy refresh. And so when you're ready to take them down, you can take them down and you're good to go. So literally it really doesn't affect the twist that much. So yeah, really short video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions for me, make sure you put them down in the comments box below, and I'll make sure that I answer those for you. Thanks so much for tuning in, you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.